Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp black screen during calls. So before moving to the software part, you should check your hardware, and by checking hardware I mean to check your screen protector, to check that you are not using very thick screen protector, because that if your screen protector is so thick it may block or reflect the infrared sensor light beam, and that will make your phone black your screen when you are using any calling application like WhatsApp or whatever. And also there is another thing: you can use a clean microfiber cloth or some tissue to clean the sensor of your phone. And by cleaning the sensor, this sensor is located usually next to your camera in the top of your screen, especially if you are using an iPhone. And that does not mean that your phone is dirty, but sometimes when you use face oil or makeup, small particles from that can blind the sensor, and they can make the sensor think that the phone is pressed against your cheek, and that's why the sensor will try to black out your screen when you are making call. So the second application that we can use is the settings application, or the settings of your phone. You have to go to settings, and after that on settings you have to go to and search for reduce motion, okay, this option. You should be sure that this option is turned off, because if it's turned on, sometimes it may cause this problem to happen. And the last thing, if all those solutions are not working for you, you have just, instead of deleting the app, especially if you are using an iPhone, you have to go to settings, and after that go to general and iPhone storage. After that look for WhatsApp and click on offload app. What this do, it will take out or delete the application, delete part of the application from your phone, and leave all your data on the phone so you can restore it easily. So you have to click on offload app, and after offloading app, just wait for 2 or 3 minutes and click on install app again. And normally by one of these solutions, the app will start working again, and you will not have any more problem with the black screen during calls when you are using WhatsApp. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.